If you're looking to take control of your finances, you might have stumbled upon PocketGuard. It's a popular app that promises to help you save money, budget, and track your spending. But is it really as good as it seems, especially if you're using the free version? Let's dive into the limitations of PocketGuard's free plan. Limited account connections. One of the biggest drawbacks of the free version is the limited number of accounts you can connect. This can be a major issue, especially if you have multiple bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. With fewer accounts connected, you'll have a less accurate picture of your overall financial health. Basic budgeting tools. While PocketGuard offers some basic budgeting tools, they're not as robust as those found in premium plans or other financial apps. The free version may struggle to provide detailed insights into your spending habits, making it difficult to identify areas where you can cut back. No advanced features. The free version of PocketGuard lacks many advanced features that can be incredibly helpful for managing your finances. These features might include automated savings. Setting aside money automatically can be a game changer, but it's often a premium feature. Investment tracking. If you're investing, tracking your portfolio's performance can be crucial, but the free version may not offer this. Financial advice. Personalized financial advice can be invaluable, but it's typically reserved for premium users. Limited customer support. When you encounter issues or have questions about the app, having reliable customer support is essential. Unfortunately, free users often have limited access to customer support, which can be frustrating. Ads and in-app purchases. To generate revenue, free apps often rely on ads and in-app purchases. While these may not be intrusive, they can be annoying and disrupt your user experience. So, is PocketGuard's free version worth it? For casual users who only need basic budgeting and expense tracking, the free version of PocketGuard might be sufficient. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive financial solution, you may want to consider upgrading to a premium plan or exploring other options. Remember, while free tools can be helpful, they often come with limitations. It's important to weigh the pros and cons before deciding if a free financial app is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.